Namaste friends. We will learn Unit 2nd Pump from the course Industrial Hydraulics and Pneumatics. I am Rishikesh Babasaheb Gaikwad, lecturer from the Department Mechanical Engineering in Brahmadev Dada Mane Polytechnic, Solapur. We will see learning outcomes. After that, student will be able to first define pump, second classify pump, third state application of pump, and fourth construction and working of gear pump. Definition of pump. The pump is a mechanical device that which convert low pressure of oil into high pressure of oil. Also, it supply oil to the actuator with high pressure through the direction control valve. For example, gear pump, vane pump. Next is classification of pump. Pump can be classified into two major groups, that is reciprocating pump and rotary pump. Reciprocating pump are used to increase the pressure of oil through the reciprocating motion of piston and cylinder. Reciprocating pump can be classified into axial piston pump and radial piston pump. Rotary pump. Rotary pump defined as these are used to increase the pressure of oil by using rotary motion of gear, vane, screw, etc. Further, it can be classified into gear pump and vane pump. Reflection spot. We will pause here for a moment. My question is, list the equipments or machines where you have seen the pump. These are the applications of pump. Pump is used in automobile sector like earth moving equipments, JCB, cranes, etc. It is also used in agricultural equipments like tractor. It is used in food industry. Pumps are also used in domestic requirement. Gear pump. This figure shows external gear pump and internal gear pump. Construction. It consists of meshing gears which are meshing externally or internally. Casing, which is outer casing to the gearing. Third is shaft, on which gears are mounted. It is the driving motor which is connected to the shaft. Fifth one is two ports, that is inlet port and outlet port. Now we will see the working of external gear pump. In the external gear pump, two tooths are meshing externally. One tooth fits in the space of other gear. Therefore, motor drives one gear which rotates the other gear. Meshed gear creates vacuum at the inlet of pump. That means it sucks the oil from the reservoir and deliver it with high pressure to the actuator. References. These are the references I have learned from the book Oil Hydraulic System of Muzumdar SR from the Tata Magra publication. Also, I have used powerzone.com. Thank you.